Recently we are working a lot on Sahaj. When I'm talking this word Sahaj, meaning effortless. Though you are putting a lot of effort in anything what you are creating, but final result should be you feel effortless. And it should be very easy going kind of thing, You should enjoy, your soul should enjoy, your environment should be serene, and that's what our philosophy for the design is. When client approached us, Mrs. Nene, she was a passionate lady and she wanted to live her dream and she want her space to be built in a way that whatever she has experienced in her life, she wanted to narrate with the overall house. When first we have visited the land, there is lot of treasure on the land already been there, and few crucial plants like amla tree and few mango trees and few neem trees and overall green spaces led us to the perfect shuruat of the planning. So we have actually thought of these two tubes which are kind of holding bedrooms and living room and family room and dining in all such space, which are ultimately open ups to the amla tree, and they are aligned and axis with the amla tree. The design has been done in a way that the front has been covered with the kind of grill, cotton steel grill, which is not only giving a nice sciography, nice wind, nice breeze, gives a nice security also. Also, they are creating a nice space to have their own private space to the individual, user. This house is blending of, outdoor to indoor. We have tried to create a few areas which is well associated with the outdoor. At the same time, few areas which is well, having personal spaces and the cozy spaces, which is actually cut off from the outside, where you be with yourself, you be with sound, with the surrounding. The layout of this house is very simple. When you walk through the main door, you are having two water bodies, which is giving very, very serene and calm impact to yourself. And when you actually enter to the house, you can see the outdoor, because it is through axis. When you enter, you see one outdoor gazebo. The living room, actually, we have tried to work out in a way that it gives feeling of outdoor. When you open up everything, you feel like it is all in and out together. The nice light slits has been given from the sides, and the texture on the wall has been turned out very, very simple texture we have created with the normal meshing. But because of the texture in the wall, it gives very nice impact on the light. And that is what the fun of such area is. And further up, it is then nurturing with the bougainvilleas, which is actually coming up. When you travel through the passage is actually, the link between these two tubes. Client wanted to make house as much Vastu compliance as possible. And we normally try to follow the scientific Vastu, which is really useful to overall, healthy living. So that is how the puja room and the parent bedroom has been, placed at the northeast corner of the house. Another end of the passage, which opens up or lead to the three more bedroom, which is a son bedroom, daughter bedroom, and their own bedroom. So while designing, one of the area which belongs to my heart is, passage. And we wanted to explore this passage in all possible ways. One most important design of the house is the cross ventilation. This passage is such which is actually allowing air to travel from one area to another area, and that is giving a nice breeze to overall. In the middle of this, one area which we have actually added is the perforated brick. Not only perforated brick, but we wanted to make this brick kinetic. Certain time it actually turns with the breeze, and that is what is creating a fantastic sciography, excellent sciography, and I believe this is what the smart design has happened. One more very important thing when we actually design any house or any creation is not the house but the reflection of art. One very important, if you can travel through the house, we have curated nice house artworks. Overall journey, I can say, is a collaboration of people around you. The client themselves, our design team, the people who have worked on the site. The overall combination is so nice. That is why the house is the wonder I built.